In this video, we will compare Capcut vs Davinci Resolve vs Premiere Pro vs Final Cut. Which is the best video editing software? Capcut. Capcut is a cloud-based video editing platform developed by ByteDance, primarily for mobile and short-form content creators. It stands out for its seamless integration with TikTok and social media platforms, making it incredibly popular amongst influencers and casual creators. With both mobile and desktop versions, Capcut delivers a surprising, robust feature. Pre-made templates, trendy transitions, auto captions, green screen effects and more, all with AI-powered tools like body segmentation, facial retouching. Its drag-and-drop interface is incredibly intuitive, requiring visually no prior editing experience, which is ideal for beginners and those who want quick turnaround without a steep learning curve. Capcut also supports multi-layered video editing, motion tracking, beat syncing, which makes it far more capable than most free editors. However, Capcut does have its limitations when compared to the professional-grade software. It's best suited for vertical, social media-oriented content. However, you may feel restricted for filmmakers or those working on complex long-form projects. While many features are free, the Pro version of Capcut starts at around $8 per month or $75 per year, making it a low barrier or choice for monetizing creators. Privacy concerns may be a big thing for many users, given ByteDance public data policies, especially since many projects are processed through cloud rendering. Overall, Capcut is exceptional for an entry-level editor that punches above its weight for social media production and easy to learn. Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve by Blackmagic Design is one of the most powerful and comprehensive video editing tools available, offering a suite of professional post tools in a single platform. This is what makes it unique. Its multi-page interface, you can edit, cut, and do more, handle color grading, all in one place. All without leaving the software. The color grading tools are considered the best in the industry, used for countless films, commercials, and content creation. The free version of Davinci Resolve offers all of its key features, including 4K exports, advanced timeline editing, powerful audio tools, and more. Makes it one of the most powerful free editors on the market for series creators and indie filmmakers. Despite this unmatched power, Davinci Resolve is not the easiest tool to learn. Beginners will feel overwhelmed by the number of features, technical jargon, and customizable settings. The interface is polished, but the learning curve is steep, compared to more beginner-oriented editors, like iMovie or Capcut. You will need a relatively strong system, especially for fusion visual effects work or large-scale projects. The studio version, priced at a one-time $300 fee, unlocks more advanced tools like facial recognition, AI-powered upscaling, noise reduction, 3D editing, and collaboration tools for large teams. It's an incredible value if you're committed to the post-production work. Overall, Davinci Resolve is ideal for professionals, colorists, and advanced creators who want industry-standard tools without a recurring subscription model. Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is widely used by professional video editors that serve the backbone of content creation, film, YouTube, and corporate media. As a part of Adobe's Creative Cloud, it offers unmatched integration with tools like After Effects, Photoshop, and more, making it a go-to choice for many professionals who work across multiple media types, not just video. Premiere Pro Advanced Feature Timeline support multicam projects, VR editing, and color grading. Adobe brings features like auto caption, scene detection, automatic reframing for different aspect ratios. It's a major time saver for high volume creators who post a lot. It supports nearly all major formats and is constantly updating with new features. However, Premiere Pro does come with some drawbacks. Most notably, its subscription pricing is quite high compared to many competitors. It's available for $23 per month standalone or $60 per month as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud package, which quickly adds up over time if you're a beginner or new content creator. Performances can be inconsistent depending on your hardware. Premiere is notably resource heavy and crashes and is slow to render at some times, which many users complain about. While it is not the hardest software to learn, it does require a lot of time for many beginners to learn it, particularly for those unfamiliar with Adobe interface logic. That said, the industry and deep ecosystem with endless customization makes it one of the most versatile tools for professionals who need flexibility, collaboration tools, and powerful editing features. Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is Apple's flagship video editor. It is known for its speed, sleek user experience, optimized for Mac OS and Apple. Its unique editing features allow the clip automatically snap together without leaving the gap, help to streamline the editing process and make rearranging scenes a breeze. Final Cut is capable of handling 360-degree video and other types of videos. It's especially beloved by creators who value speed, efficiency, as it takes full advantage of the Mac hardware. For blazing fast rendering, real-time previews, many wedding photographers, indie filmmakers, YouTubers, and creators all use Final Cut Pro for its blend of power and user-friendliness. On the flip side, Final Cut is an Mac iOS exclusive, meaning it is not optional for Windows users, and can be trickier without cross-platform support. While the timeline is loved by some, others come from Premiere or Davinci Resolve may find it very different. Still, some of the trade-offs can be worth it, especially with a one-time purchase price of $300, which includes all the feature updates and more. A major drawback compared to Adobe's recurring fees, Final Cut does not offer quite as much customization or third-party ecosystem depth as Premiere Pro. However, its performance, intuitive design, and value makes it one of the best video editing platforms for serious Mac-based creators. Overall, Capcut, Davinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, and Final Cut each cater to different type of creators and workflows, making them uniquely valuable depending on your editing needs and your experience level. Capcut is perfect for beginners and social media creators looking for a quick, mobile-friendly tool with trendy, AI-powered features at an affordable price. Davinci Resolve stands out for being its professional-grade colour grading and its all-in-one editing suite, offering incredibly power value and especially for its generous free version, though it has a steep learning curve. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard for professional video editing, offering deep integration with Adobe's vast ecosystem and set of features. Meanwhile, Final Cut Pro is a Mac-exclusive powerhouse that combines high-speed performance with streamlined interface, making it ideal for beginners or indie filmmakers who want to use pro-level tools without ongoing subscription fees. Ultimately, the choice depends on your performance, platform, budget, and whether you prioritise ease of use, power or flexibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.